This trail is just like a tropical paradise. Well, good morning, world. It is day 2, and right now we're heading north on the parallel trail. Gonna go up to Yankee Paradise and then turn and go over to Plum Orchard. And Plum Orchard was supposed to be a cottage for some of the family members that lived here on the island. And I will show you this little cottage when we get there. It might surprise you. Coming up on Plum Orchard. If I remember right, this was built for the kids. My kids won't get anything like this. We're here at Plum Orchard, and I'm just gonna walk you around. I'm trying to talk from memory here, but if I remember right, on this end, it was an indoor heated swimming pool. Yeah, you can see maybe down in there, that was the pool. This was the pool house. And you said you were originally from Darmstadt?
Yes.
Yes, all right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Been over here for, oh gosh, I left in 92.
Hey there, buddy.
Hey,
What-
wandering monk,
What's your name?
Harry.
Hi, Harry.
Yeah, I'm so glad I ran into you out here in the woods.
Well, you're not going to take my food, are you?
No,
Okay.
not today. I heard you have an awesome YouTube channel.
Well, I have a YouTube channel. It's called Wandering Monk.
What's this channel about in a nutshell?
It's about hiking and adventures and encouraging people who think they can't get out and to see you to go out and see nature.
That is beautiful. I love the outdoors.
I bet you do.
And I heard that you're working on publishing a book that you wrote.
I do have a book that should be coming out in about 4 months, I think.
That is wonderful. Can you tell us a little about the book and what it's called?
It's called Schooled by the Smokies, because a few months ago I did a hike all the way through the Smoky Mountains. And as I was going through, I was learning lessons.
And when will this be published?
I think it's going to come out in the late summer
And if you haven't checked out Wandering Monk on YouTube, be sure to head over and subscribe to him. He's a very special person.
Thank you very much.
Thank you for watching.